Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange and BreakingChartAlerts.com. First things, guys, I wanted to go over our target trade is looking fantastic here this morning. She's at highs of the day right now, up 0.78%. In pre-market, we got about 5 minutes until opening bell, 4 minutes now till opening bell. We're up about $1.35 on that, so it's hitting that 175 right now. We break through that 175, we should easily see that 180. We get that out of the money vertical spread. We picked up on target. Here is how we're starting off the morning here. Let me just post this here. Alrighty, so as you guys can see right here, here's how we're starting off the morning. You guys can see we're up $2,119 to start the morning here. That's with Amazon being up $1,302 there. Snapchat shares up $600 and the Micron shares up $275. And then all of our option trades down here, once the market does open, we're going to see some nice gains because Tesla, Microsoft, Target, Intel are all green here this morning. So I got a nice little profit here in pre-market, and we're going to be looking to capitalize on that. So let's take a look here. So here's Target right now at 175. Let's take a look at Microsoft MSFT. It's another option that we have there, up 74 cents there on the day. We have the September 16, 270 strike call. So let's see what Microsoft could do there for us today. We have Intel INTC. Let me put that in. INTC. There we go. 3168 shares up 22 cents, 0.70%. You guys can see this morning she had a spike all the way up to 3243 there. Had a nice little climb there. So I'm going to be looking for that. We have that Intel September 23rd vertical spread, 3150, 3250. So max net gains above 3250 on that vertical spread. And we got 600 contracts of that. So we're going to be watching Intel there over the course of the next couple of days. There goes Target breaking out again, 175.19 on Target. TGT right now is breaking out and at highs of the morning right there. Let's see, Skyjack there in this trade room says JPM, JP Morgan, JPM. Look at that breakout on JP Morgan. We called that. We had a trade on that. We locked her in a little too early, didn't we? That's a nice breakout, though. Came right down to that support at that 112.50. As you guys can see right here, we got about 2 minutes until opening bell. So let's go over this quick. You guys can see, like here was that support area on JP Morgan. And when we saw it consolidating right there, and then we saw it break above that yellow 10-day, that's a shift in momentum happening right there. You got that MACD that crossed as well. You got green bars above the zero line on the histogram of the moving average, convergence, divergence. And we're just continuing to climb. So we got that next resistance on JP Morgan around that 122.50. So I think that should easily see that 122.50. It might even see that 125. We got interest rates and everything coming up here. We got CPI number. It's a big week here. So, watch what the markets are going to do this week. Big week for the markets. Let's see, Amazon up 95 cents there. We got Amazon breaking above that blue 20-day simple moving average on a daily chart here. That's looking pretty good. Came down, tested that support at that 125 area right here. You can see that consolidation area. And that's what you're looking for when you're coming down to that support area. Are you seeing some clearly defined consolidation, candles side by side, really holding, right around that 125 to 130 area, and then you finally get that breakout. It's holding that red 50-day. It's straddling that along the way there. And here we go, guys. Markets are open. And there goes Target. Target's breaking out big time there. Target 175.33. Let's see here what these options are going to refresh at. We'll be looking for some day trades here this morning. Oh, man. Wow. Look at the gains that we have here. We're up $11,000 on Target here today. What a beautiful start to the day. Beautiful start to the day here. $9,000 opening there, guys, and we're still climbing, still breaking out. Oh man, what a beautiful start to the morning! Wow, look at that. We're up $15,000 now. 15,000 to start the day. To start the week, 15,000 right here. $15,000 start to the week there. Let me share that with you guys. Those trades are looking good. Looking good. There we go, guys. Take a look at this. So we are up $3,000 on our shares there. We're up about $2,000 on Amazon. We're up $700 on Micron, $450 on Snapchat. But you come down here and take a look at that. Our target trade, the long leg of that 250 contracts up 13,500. The short leg down 7,375. So what's that? A net profit there of about 6,000 on that. And then Intel right here, we're up 4,800 on the long leg of the 600 contracts of Intel, down 2,700 there on the short leg, which is exactly what you want to see. You want to see those short legs being down on price. Those long legs, you want to see those being up in price. That's the whole point of the vertical spread there. And then we got our Microsoft and our Tesla trades doing great there. We got an overall gain there of 26% on Tesla already. She's breaking out. There goes Target, still breaking out on Target, guys. That is a nice breakout on Target. Wow, now we're up $19,000 now to start the day. What a morning. Beautiful trade plan there. Right there, Dylan, if you could share that. 19,000 start. There we go. So let's update that one now for you guys to see what we're really up now. There goes Target again. Oh, man, look at Target. 176 right now on Target. What a day. And here we go. As you guys can see right now, here's our trades right now. We're up $19,000 for the morning here. You guys can see down here we're up 3,300 basically on the shares, and we are up. Let me see here. And right here you guys can see we're up $3,291.50 on our shares right there, and that's being led by Amazon up about 2,000. We got our Micron up over 1,000. Snapchat shares up 400. And then down here, look at that Target, that long call right there, the 250 contracts up $15,625. And on that short leg right here, you're down 8,750. So overall net gain, big time on that. Same thing with Intel. Intel long legs up 8,100, short legs down 45. That's exactly what you want to see on those vertical spreads. Those short legs, losing value there. That means your long legs are continuing to break out. That Tesla trade's already up 45% on Tesla. That is a nice breakout there on Tesla. Let's see. I think I'm going to lock in that profit there on Tesla. Alrighty, guys. I just locked in that profit on Tesla. I'm out of Tesla at 355. 355 out of Tesla. And here is the closing trade on Tesla, guys. That's for this week's expo. Closed Tesla 3.55. So the Tesla trade, we were in at 265 out at 355, 3.55. Divide that by 2.65. We close that out for a 34% gain. Alrighty, so let's go over there and see that now. And there is that Tesla trade that we just closed out of for a 34% gain. That was a swing trade we made on Tesla on Friday there. Just closed out of that for a nice profit there. So we were in that trade at 265, so 3.55. minus 2.65. So 90 cents, $90 per contract. We had 30 contracts. So we locked in 90 times 30. We locked in $2,700. Let me go over here now and get that. That's all part of this here. Let's see. Past 7 days, go. Okay, there we go. There's that Tesla trade. I'm going to share this with y'all. 3.55. Divide that by 2.65. It's a 34% gain. And $90 per contract, 30 contracts, 2,700. Okay, Dylan, here's this one coming up. Alrighty, there is that there. Dylan, if you could share that one there in the trade room. Alrighty, guys, here it is right here. So here's our opening trade that we made on Friday with you guys live. And as you guys can see, we jumped into that trade 1,536 hours there. Closed out of it this morning, 9:34. And we closed that out for a quick 34% gain overnight there, basically, for a profit of $2,700. So nicely done there, guys. Nicely done. Let's see, what else do we got moving here? Wonder what that vertical spread's going for now on target. Let's just look at it quick. That is for the September 16th. What is it there? 177.50, 180. It's going. What did we pay for that? Do you guys remember? Dylan, do you remember what we paid for that vertical spread there? Let's see here. Well, I could just figure it out. Let's see. 1.34, 55 cents. Let's see here. 1.34 minus. Okay, let's see there, Dylan. There we go, Dylan. I asked to unmute you there. There we go. Could you guys hear Dylan? Dylan, you want to speak up? Yeah, they hear you. Great. Nice. many contracts of that target do I have? 250, right? Let's see. Guys, I just sold out of my target trade there for 78 cents. Just closed it out there for 78 cents. Another nice gain on that one. That was a beauty. 78.78, divide that by 0.55. That was a 42% gain on our target trade there. I really do think that could still go there, but with that gain, we had 250 contracts, so I wanted to lock that in. A 42% gain is pretty nice there. Let's see, target. And here is that target trade. Let's see here. Get rid of all this. Okay. So let's see. 1.34 minus 0.79. So we're in at 55 cents, out at 1.69 minus 0.91. We're out at 78 cents. So 78 cents, divide that by 0.55. 41.82% gain. Target swing trade closed. 41.82% gain. Profit equals, let's see, so we had 250 contracts and we made 1.78 minus 0.55, so we made $1.23 each. Multiply that by 250. Hold on, I'm gonna check. 0.78 minus 0.55. Okay, $23 each. Multiply that by 250. So, wow, that was a nice one there. I'm double checking the math here because that was a really nice trade. So we were out at 78 cents. So 0.78 minus, we were in at 55 cents. So 78 cents minus 55 cents. So $23 per contract. Multiply that by 250 contracts. We made $5,750 on that trade. That was a nice one. Nice way to start the morning here, team. Oh, that was a beauty right there, guys. All right, let me post this in here. Oh, that was a nice one there. Look at that entry. Dylan, if you could post that one in here. Let's see. Swing trade on TGT closed for a 41.82% gain and profit of $5,750. Alrighty. And she's climbing now. She's worth, if you guys see down here, she's worth 83 cents now on that. You know, you can see that. I just closed it out for 78 cents, so you could get like literally, 6 cents more there. Let's see, Dylan Yerkes. I'm waiting for that picture in the trade room there. Let me see. Maybe it's just my PC there. Let me refresh that. Look at Target taking off now. Man, what a breakout there on Target. What is going on with this trade room here? There we go. It's my PC because on the iMac it's fine. That's from going on the live stream here on YouTube. For sure, it takes up a lot of that bandwidth. Alright, let me just do it like this. Alrighty, guys, here it is. That's the trade we just closed out of right there. You guys can see what we opened the trade up for down here. We opened this trade up on 9/8, which I believe that was Friday, right? Was that Friday or was that Thursday? 8, 9, 10. I'm not sure. I think it was probably Thursday, right? So anyway, we just closed that out this morning. We paid 55 cents for that right here. $1.34 minus 79 cents. Paid 55 cents. We just closed that out right now for 78 cents, resulting in a 41.82% gain and a profit of $5,750 on that trade. Nice job on that one, guys. Beautiful trade there. And those contracts are going for about 82 cents right now, so you can definitely up the price on that if you're just starting to sell it now. Markets are breaking out beautifully. Oh, what a gain here today, guys. We're up 2,000 now on the Amazon trade. We're up 1,600 on Snap, up 800 on Micron. And our Intel trade is looking beautiful. I'm going to hold on to that Intel. That's near the highs of the day. That's looking good. I think we're going to see that 3250 really quick on that Intel, and that's for 600 contracts there. Microsoft will be good there. September 16th. I'm down 1% on the Microsoft 270 calls. Look at Target breaking out there again. It's a nice one there on Target. There goes Intel. Intel here today, 1 minute chart. Intel's just about at highs of the day right now, guys. We got some big profits on our Intel trade. Some big profits right now. There we go. Our Microsoft trades now in the green. We're up 5% on Microsoft. Now up $1,050 on Microsoft for the day. Microsoft looks like it's starting to break out. There we go. Nice breakout there on Microsoft. Near and highs for the day on MSFT. Just broke above that 266. Dylan, what's our total profit so far locked in this morning? There goes Microsoft taking off again. Coming up on highs of the day on MSFT. Nice breakout there. Microsoft trade now up 10%. Up $2,000 now on the day on our Microsoft trade. So here's that MSFT trade, Microsoft. Let me see, where are we here? We're up $8,450 in locked in profits on the day so far. And we got a nice profit. Here is our Microsoft trade now. Here's the Microsoft trade that we're in. As you guys can see, we have 70 contracts in the Microsoft September 16th, 270 strike calls. We paid about $1.74 a contract for those, and we got a profit on the day of $1,785 and an overall gain of 8.88% there. And there goes Q's breaking out new highs of the day on Q's. Big breakout there on Q's. Probably going to see Microsoft and the rest of the tech take off there as well. Here's Q's breaking out here on the day, nearing that 310. Now, remember what I told you guys last week there on SPY? Remember what I told you about that 410? If we take a look at that 3-month daily, remember I said if we break above that red 50, we're going to run into that 410 quick? Do you guys remember that? Does anyone here remember that? I want to see who's paying attention here. Dylan said he does. Anyone else remember that? Jerry said yes. Okay, now here's the thing. So now we're getting up to that resistance. Skyjack remembers there. So we're getting up to that resistance now from this consolidation area back in May, and then right here in August here, early August. So once we get up there, it's either we're going to break through that 410 and we're going to continue that run right up to that 420, or we're going to start failing here and starting to pull back a little bit. To me, the markets are looking pretty good, so I think we got some upside from here. But that's what you got to be looking at right now if you're looking at a SPY daily chart there. Very important. You got some areas of consolidation from early August and then going back to June. We're just getting up to that resistance now, so that's why we're locking in some profits now. Got some nice gains on the day. We're up already $10,000 to start the week here. So there's no complaining there. So, what we're doing now is we're going to be cautious, entering into that new trades. And like I said, we're going to look for some good setups here. And this is what we got to continue to do going forward. Look at that target trade. Still going. She's nearing 176 again. Let's see here. Microsoft, where is our Microsoft? I'm debating if I want to lock in Microsoft today and, lock in that $10,000 day here, or if I just want to hold off a little bit. There goes Q's again. Q's are at highs of the day now once again, 309.93. Microsoft breaking out, target nearing 176. I'm looking at the watch list here, and we got oil and energy stocks continuing to climb. AMC shares up over 10%, nearing 11%. APE up 11% right now. Skyjack said JP Morgan's breaking out beautifully, and there goes Microsoft. New highs of the day on MSFT. Let's see, our trade on Microsoft. Let's see what we're doing here so far. Nice, 15% gains on our Microsoft trade already, guys. Continuing to break out there. Nice run on MSFT. We'll see if she can hit that 270 today on Microsoft. Markets are getting a nice breakout here. Looking pretty good. Here's that Microsoft trade, Dylan, if you could share that one there in the trade room. Nice. Jerry's up 26% there on that. Nice. Guys, here is that Microsoft trade. I'm going to go refresh it now because it's freaking taken off now big time. But there's that Microsoft trade. It was up 14.89% there. Now, literally in just like that few seconds here since I've been talking, take a look what she's up now. 20% gain. So take a look at that now. 20% gain on that trade right now. So here you guys go. Take a look there. That's the same trade. Just looking at it now, up 20%. We're up $3,115 on the day on that trade right now. Very nice breakout on Microsoft. Those trades are on fire. There goes Q's. Another breakout on Q's. There goes Microsoft. Another run coming here. Markets are at highs of the day once again. And there we go. Microsoft trade now up $4,000 on the day. We got a 30% gain on Microsoft. Continuing to break out there. Nice run. There goes Q's. Q's breaking out again. We're up over 30% now on our 32% on our Microsoft trade here. Take a look at this here, guys. She's still breaking out nicely. Guys, take a look at that Microsoft trade. Here's that same trade you guys were just looking at. It's now up 32%. We're now up $4,620 on the day on that trade right there. That is beautiful right here. Day's gain, $4,620, and we're up 32% on that trade already. And there goes Q's taking off again. Guys, I just sold out of Microsoft there for $2.20. I'm out of Microsoft there, $2.20. I had a nice gain on that. There was no way I could pass that up, especially with it being this week's expiration. I said, you know what, I got to be disciplined with this trade here. Even though I want to hold it a little bit longer, I definitely got to lock in those profits. And here is what we did on that trade. We just made that trade on the 9th, which was on Friday, I believe, right? And here are the results. So we are out at 220, 2.2. Divide that by what we paid, 1.74. We just closed that out for a 26.44% gain. Yeah, is this Microsoft? Yeah, Microsoft MSFT swing trade closed. 26.44% gain. Profit equals, let's see, so we had 70 contracts, so 2.2 minus 1.74, so we made $46 per contract, 46 times 70, and we made $3,220. $3,220 on that trade. And here is that trade, guys. Unbelievable start to the week here. profit of 3,220.00. All right, Dylan, if you could post that in the trade room there. And let's share what we just did here. Here we go. Here is that Microsoft trade we just closed out of there. Microsoft swing trade closed 26.44% gain on a trade we just made on Friday, and an overall profit on this trade of $3,220 on 70 contracts there. Really nice job there, guys. Beautiful profit. I really think we're going to continue to run this week, so I'm locking in those profits. We're already up. Let's see. 3,220. So that's the last trade we just locked in. I'm just going to add these up quick. So let me go up, 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 up. Okay, here's the other one. So then with $3,220 plus 5,750, that's 8,970 plus the other trade. What was the other one we closed in first? Let's see. Oh, and there we go. The Tesla trade this morning. I wonder what Tesla's doing now. Here is the Tesla trade. So plus 2,700. So plus 2,700. So we made an overall profit today already of $11,670. And it's only 10 o'clock. That's the first 30 minutes of the day. First 30 minutes of the day, we locked in 11,670 bucks. That's amazing. That is amazing. $11,670 on those trades there. Amazing, incredible start to the day there. To the week. Oxy's still climbing. I was going to jump into those Oxy shares pre-dividend there. Had ex-dividend last week. Was thinking about jumping in. I was talking to you guys about it. Oh, Tesla took off there. Tesla took off nicely. Nice. Skyjack's up 118% on JP Morgan. Nice job there, Sky. I'm looking at that 121.34 right now. Man, did we call that or what? That 122.50 is going to be an easy target. I bet you're waiting for that. I wish I held on to my JP Morgan a little bit longer, but profit's a profit, and I am having one hell of a good week here. Good month, I gotta say. We've been on fire. We have been on fire. Through everything today here, I'm up $21,180.69. So here's how we're looking this morning here. $21,180.69 day. There you go, guys. Here is what we're doing here today. Up for the day, $21,180.69 on the day there. As you guys can see, we just locked in $11,670 on some option trades we picked up on Friday of last week. And then our Amazon shares here up $3,164 on the day. Our Snapchat shares up $2,000 on the day. Our Micron shares up $1,475 on the day, bringing our total gain for the day unrealized on the shares here of $6,489, plus what we locked in on the option trades there as well. So looking pretty good. Looking pretty darn good there, guys. And what do we still have open here? I think it's Intel, right? We still have Intel open. Got a nice profit on our Intel trade, but I'm thinking we're going to hold that open there. We have the September 23rd expiration on Intel, like I said. That one's going to be a decent trade for us. We'll have some nice profits as that one continues to climb there. Nice. Island Time says they're up $700 for the day. Nice job there, Island Time. Watching the markets here, seeing if we see any good setups. I see a double top on Q's right now. I'm watching that double top there. Let's go down the watch list here quick. See if we see any good swing trade setups here. Amazon's looking great. I think that's going to get right back up to that 140 to 145 area. I'm not going near any of the Chinese stocks, even though Bob is looking pretty darn good there. Google looks good, ready for a rebound there on Google. Got a nice support there. Disney's still taking off there. Nice climb on Disney. Netflix still breaking out there. Now remember when we had that big hook pattern set up right here from that earnings drop, and I told you guys once she broke that 200, that's going to be a nice opportunity to buy. Here was that break above that 200 here, had a nice run, came down, tested that red 50, and it's starting to get that climb again. So now you got that resistance right around that 253. It breaks through that. You're looking for that next climb back up to about that 330. I don't like holding on to Netflix there, but that's what you'd be looking for. JP Morgan looking good. Let's change this to a 6-month daily. Airlines looking pretty good there, especially as gas prices have pulled back there. So as airline petroleum prices. Southwest, Tesla shares. Oh, man, Tesla shares still breaking out there. 30509 there on Tesla. There goes Q's breaking out there. Another high of the day here on Q's. AIG breaking out nicely. Amgen climbing off the lows. Caterpillar had a big run there this morning. Visa shares look like they're going to get right back up and tested about that 215 right here. Here's Intel. I mean, if you look at that Intel chart, I mean, if you don't tell me this is a good buy right here, I don't know what you're looking at here. We're going back and testing 2014, 2015 lows. So I definitely like Intel here. I'm waiting for really a climb probably above about $33 there, and then I'm probably gonna purchase about 500 grand worth of Intel shares. Start a trade on that. Let's see here, going down Meta. Meta doesn't look too bad there. Looks ready for a breakout there, right up to that 180. Google's looking pretty good. I'm loving Amazon there. That's looking good off that 50. Baba won't go near that. Microsoft still looking good. There goes Microsoft climbing again. Salesforce at highs of the day. Goldman Sachs looking good. Nike's looking good. Verizon there. I like that Verizon off that pullback there. I wouldn't mind that. That's a good dividend payer there as well. Square. Schlumberger's looking good there. Broke above that 40 bucks a share. Looking pretty darn good there. BP. Guys, we have been having one hell of a month here. I mean, literally up over $100,000 over the past few weeks. PayPal's looking like a really good setup here. I'd love to do something with PayPal. Breaks above that $100 there. She's going to be breaking up to that 120. Boeing trying to break above that 20. I told you guys about Under Armour when she came down and tested that support area and it held that base support there. Kicking myself for not buying it. Probably gonna be picking that up soon. Probably this week sometime. Oh, AT&T looks like a beautiful setup right there. That's a nice setup there on AT&T. That's one that I do a swing trade on for about 3 months out. If you're looking for something to buy and hold there, something 3 months out till Expo, go with that December expiration on AT&T. That's not a bad one right there. Let's see if there's any contracts to that one. Let's see the November. Hey, you got some good contracts coming in there. 18 strike, 17 strike, 87 by 89. That's not too bad there. Let's see, where's that noise coming from? John Rhodes says FedEx is a trade I have a lot of conviction in it, but I haven't gotten in it yet. Let's see FDX. A nice setup there, right off that 200 support. Oh, that was a beauty. She's probably going to get that quick climb up to 220 again. John said earnings are coming up. Let's see. Nice. Chance said he bought 5 contracts of the 200 calls on Thursday. He's up 137% on that FedEx. Nice. Nice job there, Chance. Earnings on 9/22. What's what, next week? Next Friday? Qs are pulling back a little bit here. I'm watching that over to the right. Nice job there, Chance. Nice job. Up $20,809.19 on the day here today. Qs are starting to get a climb there again, guys. Watching Intel there breaking out nicely too over to the top right. That's what I'm staring at here, INTC. I'm watching them talk about the chip stocks and semiconductors, and I'm just seeing Intel here get a nice little breakout. Intel almost at highs of the day right now. Can you guys hear me now? She starts breaking above that 3180. I might buy back that short leg. Thinking about it. Man, up $22,000 now on the day. What a breakout there on Intel. New highs of the day now on Intel. Yes. We're up $5,000 on our Intel trade today. The 600 contracts that we picked up. What do you guys think? You think we're going to see $32 by the end of today on Intel? I think we do. I really think we do. There she goes. Let's see what we're up on that trade now. Oh man, we're up $6,000 on the Intel trade now for today. I gotta share with you guys how this vertical spread looks. There she goes, breaking out again. Wow. Take a look at how this vertical spread here looks on Intel that we have. And Dylan, if you could share this in the trade room there as well. So that's pretty nice there. Oh, there we go. She just had another nice breakout there. What a nice breakout there. Here's that Intel trade that we are in. And Intel right now, if you guys can see here. Let me see. Man, that's not it. Oh, here we go. Alright, so if you guys can see right here, we are up, 11,100 minus 5,700. That's what we're up today, so about $6,000 on the day. And then overall on this trade, we're up about 4,100 bucks there overall on that trade already. And as she continues to break out, this is a trade that we could, make a nice profit on. What did we pay for that Intel trade? Do you guys remember? What was the sending out price there on that? Let's see, 43 cents. So 43 cents. What's it worth now? Let's just see. What expo do we have? The 23rd? We have the 23rd. We have the 3150, 3250. So we paid 43 cents and it's going for about 51 cents now. 0.51, divide that by 0.43. It's about a 19% gain. I'm just watching because that Intel looks good on a daily, so that's why we got that longer term expo, and that's the whole reason why we're holding that trade there, is because that's the only trade that is for the September 23rd expo. Do you guys realize that? Do you guys realize that the trades we just closed out of were for this week's expo? That's how you got to manage that risk and your portfolio there. Lock in those gains on the shorter term expos. If you still feel that conviction that the market's going to go in your favor there, then you hold those longer term expos like we have on Intel for that September 23rd expo. So that next resistance on Intel is that 3250 right here that you guys could see. So that's our max gain there with that trade, and that was 600 contracts. So that'll be a nice gain there on that. We paid 43, so what, 57 is our max gain? 57 times 600. That trade right there could make us $34,200. $34,200 on that Intel trade. That's a nice size gain there if we continue that breakout. Watching Intel there. I got a minute chart pulled up on the top there. You guys are looking at the daily chart right there. I'm also looking at Qs and SPY over to the right there, watching the general markets. Got my market movers there. I got my watch list I continue to glance at there. Amazon up $2.74 on the day. That's looking great. Tesla just continued to climb after I sold out of it this morning. We knew that one was a volatile one, but a gain's a gain. We closed out for a few $1,000s on that one, so I'm not going to complain. You guys see how well we've been doing by locking in profits along the way here. That's key here. Let's see here. Let's go down on a today 1 minute chart, see if there's anything else we could look at here to possibly day trade. We're definitely going to be day trading SPY. Amazon just at about highs of the day again here. What a climb. 3, 4, 5. There goes Bobbin nearing highs of the day again. JP Morgan's looking good there, Sky, especially if she breaks that 121.50. I'm watching Qs over there. Qs are trying to break that 311 again. I am just fixated on this market here. We are having one heck of a week. And it just started. It just started and we're already up 21,523.69. Nice job there, Jerry. Nice. Skyjacks out of JP Morgan for 120% gain. Nice job there, Sky. Should have held on to that JP Morgan trade. Locking in them gains. What expiration did you have on that one, Sky? Was it this week or was it next week? Let's see. Dylan Yerkes. Yerkes just posted his profits there. Let's see how you did there, Mr. Yerkes. Let's see. It doesn't say the price there, huh? Doesn't show the price there, Dylan. In at $1.54, out at $1.67. Nice. 13 bucks a contract there. That's nice. You have 10 contracts. That's a quick $130 gain. Nice. That's a nice thing about those trades there. You know, you make those 10 contract trades when they're going for $1.54, it costs you $1,540. You close it out for $1.67, you know, for $1,670, and that's a quick $130 there on a quick scalp. It's not bad. This is what he's showing right here. So he scalped it there on that option. He was in at $1.54, out at $1.67. So that's a quick $13 per contract, 10 contracts, $130 gain. Nicely done there, Dylan. Nice. Let's look at oh, that's FedEx. FedEx is still going there too, 214.82. Under Armour's still going there too. Wanted to pick that up. I really think Under Armour is going to continue that climb there. Thinking if I want to pick up 20,000 shares of it. Let's see, 25,000 shares. Multiply that by 8.22. It's only 205,000 there. If I get 25,000 shares. Huh. There goes Q's pulling back there a little bit. I'm watching over there. I just love staring at these charts here and noticing all of them doing just about the same thing. Hey, what do you guys feel about doing a trade challenge there with a cash giveaway for the top winner there? Thinking about doing that for the next trade challenge. Look at that. John Rhodes just posted his profits there. And then the top winner there of that trade challenge gets the jackpot. That's a nice one there, John. Let's see, what'd you make? Nice, $5,000 profit, exactly. Nice, can't beat that. Can't beat that. Let's see, John Chung on YouTube says, I just joined the stream. What trade did you guys get in? We just got in and out of a few trades here. We locked in about 20. No, well, we're up about 21,000. So here was the Microsoft trade that we just did. Microsoft swing trade. We did a 26.44% gain on that. Locked in $3,220 on that trade. Here was a target swing trade that we locked in for a profit of $5,750 for a profit or a gain there, 41.82%. And then we also had a trade on Tesla here that we closed out of for a 34% gain and a profit of 2,700. So we're up over $11,000 on the trade so far today. All right, guys, it is 10:30. Those of you on YouTube, if you want to come join us, you guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com. You guys could join us in our trade room here and join us right in here. Once you guys go to the Join Now membership pricing plans, you guys can pick the plans that you'd like. You go to live trading, go down to live trade room. We have this one here, and then we also have another app for you guys. Once you guys get in, we'll send you that. Here's where we go for our newsletters. If you guys check this out every morning, our newsletter is posted on the announcements and trade ideas. We'll pick some of the articles that we've seen in the mornings there that are some big market moving news there. We posted one on the housing market here, and then here was the newsletter. Every morning you guys should be checking out this newsletter here. We're talking about what's coming up for the week, what we're looking to, the pre-market movers, the upgrades, the downgrades, the initiations, the unusual options activity, the economic news that's coming out for the week there. 5 things to start your day that comes out from Bloomberg there, and then we're showing some of the stocks that were in there. There's Target. Here was Intel. We talk about the trades that we got into here. Here was that Intel trade there. Here's Snap. We got the Amazon chart there that was posted this morning, the Microsoft chart there. And, you guys could even go down here, comment on it. We comment back. And then if you guys want to sign up for this newsletter right here, you guys go to the email, put in your email, put in your name, sign up for that newsletter, and this will get sent to you every morning there. That way you'll know what we're looking for. And then we also, you know, nice way to get your day started there. And then join us in the live trade room there. So hope to see you guys soon. And like I said, if you guys want to go join us, shoot us a message for a promo code, and we'll be happy to help you out. Have a great day. Nice job today, guys. Let's see. Officially, we are ending the day $21,324.19 profit there on the day. So really nice job there. And so far, Intel's holding that 50-day simple moving average and still up 0.89% on the day. So have a good day, guys. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys go and download our app there. If you guys could see that, check that out there. Go to the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, search Breaking Chart Alerts, download that app there, and get started. And if you guys like this video, please click like, click subscribe, and click that bell to get notified. Alrighty, guys, take care and have a great day.